Sophie the squirrel's spring cleaning. Spring is here, and Sophie sees her messy nest. Time for spring cleaning, she decides. Sophie starts sorting. This. Keep or let go. Finds an old nut. Him. I'll let this go. Discovers a cozy blanket. Keep. For chilly nights. Throws out broken toys. Goodbye, toys. Cleans the floor. So much space. Puts books back on the shelf. I love these stories. Admires her work. Looking good. Notices the spring outside. Wow, so beautiful. Opens the window. Fresh air comes in. Sees flowers blooming. Spring is amazing. Watches birds building nests. Busy friends. Decides to plant a flower. I'll grow one too. Digs the soil. This is fun. Plants a seed. Grow well, little flower. Waters the plant. A little water for you. The nest looks great. All clean and ready for spring. Sophie relaxes. I love spring. The end. Happy spring.